Okay. So tomorrow you will have the exam, maths exam. From at what time? At what time you have the exam? 8 a.m. Okay. So students, at 8 a.m. you have the exam, and I am telling you some tips. Okay, I am giving you some tips that before 8 a.m. You will practice from the morning of the day. It means at 7 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. you have to practice. Otherwise, the hand speed will not come. Okay, and as you know, how many times you have been given? How many times you have been given for the exam? 1 hour. Okay, I think it is enough. I think that what type of questions have I have said, it is enough. In 1 hour you can answer it, but you need to do very fast. Okay, some question will be there that it is some time taken, and some question will be there that is by observing you can answer it. Okay, so you have any queries, you can ask me. If you have any queries, you can ask me regarding the exam. Quickly tell me, then I will discuss some questions. Actually, I have discussed all the topics, and what are the important questions already I have discussed. That's why any other queries, that 2 marks question, yes, 2 marks question will come. 18 questions or some 15 questions will be there, that of them, each of them is carrying 2 marks each. Okay, that will be little bit lengthy. Any? No, 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 not more than 2 marks. Not more than 2 marks. Yes, 2 marks question will come. 2 marks question will come. That is also MCQ. That is also MCQ. That MCQ questions, and each of them is carrying 2 marks. Tell me. No, 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 not all 2 marks. Some questions. Half question will be 2 marks, half question will be most probably. Even I don't know that how many questions will be, but 2 marks question will be there. Any other queries? Anyone? Rajanna, any queries? Okay, so just I'm giving some question you will solve. Okay, so one thing I want to ask, just in the chat box, write it down. Write it down. What do you know about the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? Write it down in the chat box. What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest power. Okay, very good. Very very good. Highest power, okay. Oh, not 4 to the power 3, that is x to the power 3. Okay, next question. Px equal to 0, what is the degree of that polynomial? Px equal to 0, it means polynomial equal to 0. What is the degree of that polynomial? Undefined or not defined? Okay. 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 And students, I hope you will able to solve all the questions, because not difficult questions are there. Not difficult questions are there. Okay. Within 1 hour, you can solve all the questions. Okay. Just I am writing a one question. Ah. Answer it. Anyone else? Option A 70, option B 30, option C 49, option D 87. 87 option D. Yes, correct answer is 30, 30, because 13 is prime number. Prime number means that is square root of prime number is always a irrational number. Next question. If x plus 5 comma y minus 2 equal to 10 comma 12, Then find the value of x plus 2y. Solve it quickly. No option is there. If x plus 5 comma y minus 2 equal to 10 comma 12, find x plus 2y. Quickly solve it. Thirty-four, 33, 33. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. First of all, x plus 5 and y minus 2. X plus 5 equal to 10. So obviously x equal to obviously x equal to 5 and y minus 2 equal to 12. So y equal to 14. Y equal to 14. Okay. Y equal to 14. Now find x plus 2y. X plus 2y means put the value of x. X means 5, 2y, 2 into 14. So 5 plus 28, that is 33, not 34. Who have Rajanna, that is not 34. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay, next question. Which of the following is not lying on the x-axis? Which of the following is lying on the x-axis? Not. Which of the following is lying on the, which of the following point is lying on the x-axis? Quickly answer it. Which of the following is lying on the x-axis? Okay, 5 comma 0 is yes. We know that any point on the x-axis, it means any point on the x-axis, it means that is lying on the x-axis means y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. So y coordinate is 0, that only that point. Okay. Next question, same option. Which point lies on the y-axis? Which point lies on the y-axis? Zero comma 6. Y-axis means x coordinate will be 0. 0 comma 6 the x coordinate is 0 there. Now which point lies on the second quadrant? Which point lies on the second quadrant? Quickly answer it. Which point lies on second quadrant? Minus 5 comma 3. Okay. Okay. Find angle B. Okay. In triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle where AB equal to AC. If angle A equal to 60 degree, what will be the angle B? Degree, right answer. Okay, 60 degree, right answer. Okay. Next question. Find the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 2. Find the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 2. Find the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 2. Quickly. Anyone else? Minus 60 or minus 60 or minus 60? Amrita minus 60. Okay. Minus 60. Okay. Okay, just I'm doing it. 7 into minus 2 cube plus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 cube means that is 7 into minus 8 minus 4. Minus 6 is the correct answer. Minus 6 is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? So students, I hope I have that your preparation is very much good and you will get a good score in the upcoming exam, and best wishes for your upcoming exam. And just one thing, remember, solve it quickly as early as possible. Okay, thank you students, bye.